Right now, your portfolio might be overexposed to one or two asset classes, which leaves you vulnerable to financial market swings. Too much in stocks, you're exposed to market volatility. Too much in bonds, you're at the mercy of interest rates. And with all the uncertainty surrounding the economy, you're in a dangerous position if you're not properly diversified. Here's where the magic happens. One of the smartest ways to fix this: a gold IRA. The problem with traditional investments like stocks and bonds is they're tied directly to the economy's ups and downs. When the stock market crashes, your savings crash too. But with gold, you're working with a hedge. Gold's value tends to rise when the dollar weakens and stocks dip, making it one of the most secure options to keep your wealth safe. Now, let me hit you with something powerful, something that can change the way you think about protecting your wealth. In times of economic instability, such as recessions or inflation surges, gold has historically held its value better than almost any other asset. And with the way things are shaping up right now, it's more crucial than ever. If you're someone with over $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, or even $5 million in savings, you're probably aware that this is your time to take action. You worked hard for that money, and it deserves to be protected, not left exposed to risks you can't control. And here's the thing: no matter how much you've saved, you need to know the truth. Not all gold IRA companies are created equal. Some are overpriced, and some are outright scams. That's where we come in. We can help guide you to the most trustworthy, ethical gold IRA providers who offer tailored solutions for your unique situation. So here's your chance. Click the link in the description for your free gold IRA guide, and let's schedule a complimentary, no-obligation call to talk about how we can help secure your retirement from inflation, market crashes, and political instability. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the process, explain how it works, and only move forward if a gold IRA truly makes sense for you. No high-pressure sales, no free silver gimmicks, just honest education to make sure you're making the right decision. Now, I know you've worked hard for everything you've built, but don't let the economy take that away from you. Take action now, get educated, and give your wealth the protection it deserves. Click the link, and let's talk soon.